In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up GoToMeeting. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step to ensure you're ready to host your meetings seamlessly. So, let's dive right in. To begin, open your GoToMeeting app. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of the page. You'll see a plus button. This is where you'll start creating your meeting. Go ahead and click on it to initiate the setup process. You'll notice an option that says Instant Meeting. Select this, and you'll be well on your way to setting up your meeting quickly and efficiently. Now, after you've clicked on Instant Meeting, a new screen will pop up. This is where you'll be able to configure the settings for your meeting. It's quite intuitive and will guide you in setting up your camera and audio. The camera preview will help ensure that your video is clear and that you're presenting in the best possible light. Take a moment to adjust your position or lighting as necessary. Additionally, check your audio setup. Make sure your microphone is working properly and that you're not on mute. This screen is crucial as it ensures everyone can see and hear you without any hiccups once the meeting starts. Once you've configured your settings to your satisfaction, look for the button labeled, "OK, I'm ready." Clicking this confirms that your setup is complete and that you're ready to begin. It's a straightforward way to ensure that everything is in place before diving into your meeting. The goal here is to create a smooth and professional experience for both you and your participants. At this point, the meeting window will open, displaying the interface. It's designed to be user-friendly and should feel familiar if you've used other common meeting apps. Here, you'll be able to manage the ongoing meeting. You can see participants, share your screen, and manage other meeting controls, making it easy to keep everything organized. As you explore the interface, take note of the tools available to you. They're designed to facilitate communication and collaboration, so feel free to use them to enhance your meeting experience. Whether it's using the chat feature to send quick messages or sharing your screen to present slides or documents, you'll find that everything you need is just a few clicks away. And there you have it. You're now ready to successfully start and manage a GoToMeeting session. By following these steps, you ensure a professional and efficient meeting setup every time. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your meeting.